The Oculus Fit Pack gives you the ability to find the most comfortable fit for your headset. Included in the Fit Pack are 2 additional foam interfaces, wide and narrow. To get started finding the most comfortable fit for your headset, remove the standard facial interface foam that came pre-installed and select either the wide or narrow facial interface. Install the interface by pushing gently until it snaps into place. We recommend using the headset with the new facial interface for 30 minutes and then select the one that was most comfortable. The ideal interface minimizes pressure on your forehead and cheeks. Remember, if you wear glasses, you'll still need to use the glasses spacer even if you choose a different interface size. The light blocker will block out unwanted light that can enter around the nose area of the headset. The left and right light block aren't the same or interchangeable. Start by inserting the right light block. The hard plastic side attaches over the lenses inside the headset. The taller silicone portion should be aligned toward your nose. When the light block is attached, it will snap into place and should not fall off if you move the headset. Repeat with the left light block. And again, be careful to align the taller silicone portion towards where your nose will be. The first time after installing the light blocks, put your headset on carefully. The light blocks will protrude out a little and are designed so that they can press up against your face directly. You can tighten the headset straps to make the seal between the light blocks and your face, or loosen it if they're pressing against your face uncomfortably. Remember to read and follow the health and safety information provided with the Fit Pack before use.